Oh, hi there. So, as you can see from the title, I'm in The Hague. So, you might ask why The Hague, and that's a fair question. So, we've come here to do the Z Park Run. So, we've got some friends who have done the A to Z park runs, and the nearest Z to the UK is in the Netherlands, in The Hague. So, that's why we're here. So basically, I'm going to have a quick walk around The Hague. Been here 24 hours now. It's currently 10:30 on a Saturday night. I've had a couple of glasses of wine, and I'm pretty knackered because we've walked about 24k today. So I'm pretty ready for bed now. But since I'm here, I might as well make the opportunity. So I'm just going to let the camera roll and see what we can get. There's some amazing architecture around here. And so hopefully, yeah, we'll get some nice stuff. Right, let's go. All right then, so I think I'm done. I am knackered, so I'm heading to bed. So yeah, I think I've got a few nice shots there. So yeah, but I'll also put at the end of this video a few that I took yesterday. No, not yesterday, today. Been a long day. So you'll see those as well. And we're heading to Amsterdam tomorrow just for a day trip as well. So yeah, if you could like and subscribe, that would be great. And I'll see you again soon. Okay, cheers, bye.